Hey guys, this is Taylor from Truck World RVA here. I have a super nice 2013 F550 V10 single cab, rear wheel drive. It's got 167K on it. It's 2013. IMT Dominator body. Body's in excellent shape. Zero rust anywhere on the body. 6,000 pound capacity IMT crane. It's PTO driven. Brand new wireless remote for the crane. Truck's just really nice all the way around. Runs out great. No rust on the chassis or on the body. Yeah, it's just really clean truck. I'll shut all the boxes and show you the outside of the body here in a sec. Probably about half tread on the fronts. I'm gonna go ahead and put 4 new tires on the back. That's the only thing that's yet to be done on this one. If you have any questions, feel free to call or text anytime at 804-716-8487. It's an IMT 6000 series crane, 6,000 pound maximum capacity. A little bit of wear on the driver's seat, that's really it. Otherwise, the interior's just like, I mean, looks brand new. Really nice truck all the way around. All the handles work perfectly. Just needed 2 hands for it. So as you can see, I mean, body's in great shape. Really no dents, stings, or scratches anywhere on the body, just very minor chips here and there, but you got like a little chip here, but really, like I said, it's just super clean crane truck. One of the cleaner ones I've gotten in for sure. So you have hydraulic outriggers, extend out, up and down. Here's the load chart. Again, if you do have any questions, feel free to call or text anytime. 804-716-8487. I'm happy to send you close-up pictures or more videos. We ship all over the country, and I want to make sure that you know exactly what you're getting and you're happy with it. But all in all, like I said, this is a really clean truck. And a shot of the undercarriage, so no rust whatsoever under here. Nice and clean. That dirt's just from my boots, just getting in it one time. The sun's hard to get rid of here. So like I said, give me a call if you have any questions, and that's it. Thanks for watching.